Good morning, students. Let us begin our fifth unit Green Skills of Computer Science. Okay, this includes sustainable development, challenges in sustainable development, overcoming challenges in sustainable development. So, our topic named as Green Skills. From that, what can we understand? Green refers to the environment that comes under the natural resources. Okay, so how sustainable refers to what? The ability. So let's get into the topic. Sustainable refers the ability to be maintained at a certain rate or level. So how stable maintenance refers to the sustainable development. Okay, so this includes the natural resources without degrading the future generations' needs. Okay, here the sustainable developments includes needing that is meeting the needs of the present without being compromising the needs for the future. Okay, so this diagram notes that improvement of lifestyle and well-being. Our goal is to improve, also to preserve the existing environment and the natural resources. Okay, next thing. So there are need for the development, that is sustainable development. So why we are sustaining our sustaining our resources. So first thing is to prevent the environmental degradation. As we use lot and lots of chemicals and other technologies, our environment gets degrades down. So to prevent that is the first need, and to ensure a safe human life. So what we consume, what we are having in, everything comes with chemicals, which leads to the degradation of the human life. So we have to check out the safeness of the human life also. Third thing is to check the exploitative technology and find the alternative source. So exploitative in sense which is harmful. So we should find the technology which is harmful to the environment, and we must find alternative source. For example, we have recently heard about a blue whale game, right? So it is a threat to the society. So cyber safety inspectors found that, and they eradicated totally. So this exploitative technology have to be checked properly and alternative source for that. So instead of playing blue whale game, they have introduced PUBG and all sorts of games, right? So these alternative source have to be implemented. Even PUBG has been expired because of certain reasons. Okay, next thing, to check the wastage of the natural resources. We human being have to protect our natural existing natural resources for the future generation, because the future is not going to be some other person's, it is going to be our generation. So it is our duty to protect the wastage of the natural resources. The next thing is to regenerate renewable energy resource. You might have learnt in your science, that is renewable and non-renewable, which can be used again. So these type of energy have to be identified and it should be regenerated. Next thing is to ensure environmental sustainable economic growth. So the growth of the economy deals with the nation's growth, as we have seen in the entrepreneurial skills of the fourth unit, right? So we must check for the sustainable growth of the environmental economy. Okay, next thing. So there are four different dimensions where sustainable development can be achieved. So four dimensions includes social, economic, ecological or nature related, political and governance. Okay, so these things have are the four different dimensions where our sustainable development can be achieved. So if comes under social, under the people living together, so where the society is being united will be called as social. Economy relates with the jobs, income, money factor, all those things. Next, natural nature related, that is ecological, so living things and the natural resources and the life supporting systems. Okay. Next thing is political and governance, so politics, that is governmental policies, then decision making authorities, democratic, all these things comes under the political governance dimension. So all these are the four areas where sustainable development can be achieved. Okay. So next thing is principles for the sustainable development. So there is certain principles this should be followed. So what is the first principle is integration of environment and economic decision. Whenever we are going with the environment, our surrounding, we should check for the economical decisions also. As we see in the for example, let us take a purchase. If we go for a purchase, we will check for the economical level of ourselves and we will purchase accordingly. We will not purchase beyond our economy or less than our economy, right? There is possibility to buy below our economical level in order to purchase more or in order to save, but we will check accordingly, right? Next thing is conservation of natural resources. Our main principle is to prevent, that is preserve, and to conserve our natural resources. Next thing is waste minimization. We are wasting lot, so our main principle also deals with minimizing the wastages of the environment. Next thing is enhancing the productivity. So with the productivity of the one's own resource have to be increased. Capability refers to the uh, energy level. Okay. So energy level, then the quality of the nature's quality have to be improved by using what, biological waste, that is not by using chemicals. Okay. Next thing is human life. Our human life system also have to be increased, enhanced. Okay. These are the principle. The last one is scientific and technological innovation. So whatever the technology we are introducing into the society or environment, it should be a boon to the nature, that is it should be a boost, it should be harmless to the society. Okay. Next thing is pillars of the sustainable development. So there are pillars such as social, environmental and economy. So these three pillars include certain points. Let us look into that. So social pillars includes, so we should look into the workers health and safety. So society, as I said, social includes the society where the people lives together. So we have to look into the people's health and society who works for the society. We should not give them beyond their limit. Okay. Next thing is low impact on local communities and qualities of life. We should not harm by based on the communities. So the local communities and high communities, these classes and all should be eradicated. And for people who believes that local community peoples are being downtrodden, we must help them to innovate. We must help them to achieve themselves in their community or in their living. Okay. Next thing is benefits to disadvantaged groups. So the workers and their profit, their children along cannot be advantaged by the process. Society is being conserved, but also the indirectly people will also be benefited. So disadvantaged group people should also be benefited by our society. Next thing is inclusive social practices. So it includes the commitments to consider all the environmental and economy policy development alongside is to be honored. Okay, next thing is environment. So it includes the waste generation. First thing is we must control our waste generation, that is the minimization of waste. Okay, next thing is reduced impact on human health. So environment deals with human health, so it directly or indirectly deals with the human health, so the impact have to be reduced. Okay, next thing is use of renewable raw material. The raw materials being used, like making of that is food products, have to be includes only the natural, that is renewable raw materials. Next thing is elimination of toxic substances. So toxic, that harmful or toxic chemical used things should be eliminated in order to preserve our environment. Next thing is inclusive all the environmental practices. So other practices which includes social and economical practices, which also alongside with the environment should be honored. Next thing is economy. So economy refers to the money matters. So here we should create new markets for the sales growth. We should create new markets for the sales growth. Next thing is cost reduction with reduced energy and raw materials. So the raw materials that we are using should be of the low cost, so that we can gain a profit, right? So reduction, cost reduction, the usage of raw material cost more, the outcome will not be earning with the profit. So low cost reduct, that is cost reduced raw material have to be used. So other practices like environmental and social practices along with the economy have to be honored. Okay, next thing is challenges in the sustainable environment, that is development. So challenges, what are the challenges that we face? So once a sustainable level development will be in progress, there is a possibility for the leadership, effective leadership. So effective leadership should be placed, otherwise there will be problems for the clashness between the employees. Okay, so first thing is leadership and coordinated partnership. So partnership includes, so this includes what all bodies implementing schemes. There should be a coordinate participation between the members. Next thing is social inclusion. So India is a land of diversity. So key challenge is to adopt the meaningful standard of the basic needs for the people. Okay, so removing all the disparities, diversities, urban rural gaps, gender equality, all these inequalities have to be removed, and we should be united in the honor of a nationality. Okay, next thing is undefined scope and spread of sustainable development. So undefined scope in sense without being mentioning. So when something, the reason of the SDG is to go wide in scope, their implementation is a challenging. It is a challenge to create and maintain public awareness, mobilization, advocacy, continuity. For these things, it should spread among the environment. Next thing is lack of measurable indicators. So measurable indicators, so for similarly for well defined indicators is to be assumed, and it should be what how to say, so as the name suggests, measurable indicators of whatever the product we are checking have to be checked in the proper manner. Okay, next thing is finance and budgeting for STS, that is uh, financial and budgeting for attainments of the well-beings. So here the financial, so we must check it out the cost of our process, and we have to finance accordingly for to maintain a proper and the gradual growth of the profit. Okay, next thing is monitoring and ownership. So another challenge here is the monitoring. In India, it is no single organization has given up ownership of this task. Like although Niti Aayog has been giving the supervising capacity, this hinders all the overall task attainment. So we must check for the ownership, and we must monitor it is in a progress way. Next thing is data for measuring progress. So government has been putting in all possible effort, for example, in which reduction in extreme poor population of India. We could establish this only after the data about the extreme poor people was collected continuously at regular intervals. Okay, so we must measuring progress have to data for the measuring progress. The progress have to be measured in this area to this, for example, this year to this year this progress is being achieved, 2010 to 11, so 11 to 12 this progress, 12 to 13 this progress. So the progress have to be measured properly. So next thing is overcoming challenges. So how can the challenges, these are, we have seen seven challenges, and how these challenges could be overcome. First thing is defined leadership and ownership. So a government needs to clearly specify, so what are the responsibility for the leaders, and how the ownership should be sorted out. These things will help you to find the partnership among all the stakeholders and deliver the outcomes. Okay, next thing is defined scopes. The scope and the spread for each sustainable development should be well laid out along with the timeline with clearly marked expected milestone. Okay, so we have to get set up a milestone. For that we have to define in each points clearly. Next thing is clear indicators. So indicators helps to monitor the progress at the quantity level and the quality level. So there should be an indicators which helps you to check the clarity of your progress. Okay, so next thing is correct and ample data for the progress. So correct and ample data must be collected at regular intervals. Once a progress, when once a thing is being monitored, the progress have to be, the data have to be correctly monitored and collected. Okay, for example, measuring the fever, that is fever between the time intervals will be monitored properly in order to find the actual disease. This is the thing which is being mentioned, like correct and ample data for progress monitoring. To show your progress, the data you collect should be in a proper way. Okay, next thing is financing sustainable developments globally. So financing in sense, uh, the it can be overcome by utilizing government higher education and research institutions like IITs. These things will help you to uh, use the technology and methodology as much possible, the developing one. Okay, so here the financial burden will reduced in some extent. Next thing is public private partnership. So government have to be encourage private players for the investing the sectors in the public partnership. So okay, the these things have to be achieved in order to overcome the above mentioned challenges. Okay, thank you.